our friends to join us here with umbrellas in the back and no umbrellas in the front.
I don't have umbrellas.
Perfect. Then you should be near the front. Come on in, everybody. Lots of space. Thank you for joining us, Carl.
Big.
Let's try something. I will wave my wand and count to 3. Together, let's find out who else could it be. 1, 2, 3. Ow!
I see something. What is this? A bird.
Hello, boys and girls. I'm so happy you came to the forest. See all my forest friends and myself. When I heard that boys and girls are coming to the forest to visit us, I wrote you a poem. Do you want to hear it? Silent as a ghost, I fly through the night. My sudden appearance may give some people a fright. I can see all directions with vision so clear, and feathers so quiet you don't know I'm near. Stories are told about the evil I bring, but I can assure you I wouldn't harm a thing unless you're a tasty shrew, vole, or mouse. Then I'd eat you up quickly high in my tree house. Smart as an owl, some people say. So I say, be smart and take care of the home where I stay. Did you like my poem, boys and girls?
Are you okay, Owl?
Sorry, I was just regurgitating an owl pellet.
You're watching a what?
Regurgitating an owl pellet. Now, boys and girls, because I'm a bird and I don't have teeth where I use a knife and fork like you do, when I eat a mouse, I have to basically swallow it whole. But my tummy can't break down or digest the hair and the bones. So my tummy packages it all into a ball, and every so often I have to regurgitate it. Can you say that word, regurgitate?
Good.
It basically means I spit up the parts I can't eat. You want to take a look at it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I think it's best if we maybe make a circle.
Let's make a circle. Let's back up and make a circle. We'll make a big circle. Good. I'm going to
Other
get you
things
on this
first.
side of the circle here.
Okay, back up so that other people over there.
Good. You just slide in the circle.
There you
Behind, come back.
go.
Behind. Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah.
There's your basket. All sorts of cool things are in there for later.